Hey guys, it's me, Aqua Totodile, and welcome back to Pokemon Crystal. So, I think the last time we left off, I took on the Bellsprout tower, and pretty sure that was a long, boring battle, and I'm sorry that you guys are bored, because you probably want me to take on the gym. So, I'm pretty sure I think I'm ready to take on the gym, but let's see. We're gonna switch Totodile with my Subat, or in this case, Vampire. It's what I find nickname rater. I would say Raper. My bad. That sounds so gross. Ew. I forgot. Where is the Pokemon? There is no Pokemon. Oh, there it is. I'm not so used to Pokemon to be in one separate spot. Let's see, we're gonna buy like 5 potions oh no, we don't have enough money? No, we can only get 3 at a time. Damn it. I guess the last battle it had me drained. So, that sucks. I need to win some battles here. Let's see. Violet City Gym, Pokemon Gym. So you got any advice for us? Hey, I'm no trainer, but I can give you some advice. Believe me, if you believe a championship dream can come true. You believe, then listen. The grass type is weak against the flying type. Keep this in mind. Thank God did not choose a grass type. I would have been screwed. Let's see. Let me see if you are good enough to face Falkner. I don't know how to say his name right, but let's see. Birdkeeper Abe wants to battle. Yeah, I think he has one Pokemon, which is a Sparrow, and it's a level 9. And I think I'm screwed because I think I'm so under level if I face the gym leader right now. But thank God the Totodile is almost a level 12. Hopefully we can learn Water Gun soon. That would be helpful. So, Sparrow King using Peck. Okay, Totodile is a level 12. Birdkeeper A was defeated. Okay. This can't be true. We sent some money to Mom, and I think this is the last one. The keyword is guts. Those here are training night and day to become Bird Pokemon Master. Come on. You know, I don't think we ever went to nighttime mode on this one. I'm pretty sure we don't. I'm pretty sure we do, but still. Birdkeeper Rod wants to battle. Birdkeeper Rod sent out Pidgey. So level 7. And I don't know how many Pokemon he has. Maybe he just had 1. I'm not sure. Pidgey used Tackle. That hurts. It's a critical hit. I'm gonna use Leer. Okay, Pidgey's defense fell. I probably have to use Leer so many times, I guess, with Pidgeotto. I'm not sure. He has another one. And then the Pidgey. No, we're not gonna switch because this Vampire doesn't even learn Bite. It only has Leech Life, that's it. I forgot to level grind during off screen. I said I was going to level grind during off screen, but I never got the chance to do that. Just need one more level. Maybe I should. Let's go to the Pokemon Center because I don't think I'm ready to take on him yet. Let's see. I think I need something like an item. I don't know what item I need. I think I need a Quick Claw. Hopefully I can find one. Oh boy, this is gonna be a long, boring LP. Let's see. Earl Pokemon Academy. Okay, I think from what I've been told, this academy should at least have a quick claw thing. And the teacher's not here. Where are you, teacher? I think he's supposed to give us the quick claw, and once we talk to him. Maybe it's this guy. Hello there, are you a trainer? Battle the gym leader? Battle the gym leader? You win, did you? No, I did not. I didn't challenge it. Is that so then? Study show you follow me. Okay, teacher, why are you spinning? Quit spinning. Here, teacher, I am. Good, it is. You study here. Why does it feel like I'm talking with Gruntilla's brother? Let's see. Earl, I am. Wonderful are Pokemon? Yes. Teach you, I will, to be a better trainer. What do you want to know? Yes. Good. Teach you, I will. In battle, Pokemon top of the list jump at first. Change your order. I don't think the Quick Claw exists in this game. For more Pokemon that you want to hit. Oops. No. I think I was mistaken. I'm sorry. I haven't played this game for so long. I'm thinking the Quick Claw exists in this generation game. This like a Game Boy Color game. My bad. So, Totodile is almost a level 13. So I think one more. Let's try to level grind a bit because I don't think I'm ready to take him on. Bellsprout. Ooh, a level 5. I don't know if I should catch it. I know I could get a Weeping Bell plus a Victory Bell, but all I know is this Vine Whip, and Vampire is a level 9. Let's see. Yep, we reached level 13. Finally, we learned Water Gun. Okay, let's go back to the gym. But first, I need to heal. And I'm sorry, I'm not used to with this USB controller, so my bad. What are you doing, character? Yeah, heal my Pokemon, would you? Oh boy, that's so good. I need some tea. Let's go to the gym and so I can earn my first gym badge so we can get the H out of here and go to the next gym. I'm Falkner, the Violet Pokemon Gym Leader. People say you can clip flying type Pokemon's wings with a jolt of electricity. I won't allow such insults to bird Pokemon. I'll show you the real power of the magnificent I forget it, I get it too hard. Bird Pokemon. I know what it says, magnificent Pokemon, I'm sorry. It's meh. Leader, okay, he got 2 Pokemon. Okay, he's sending out Pidgey. And no. If I don't beat him, I'm gonna cry. So yeah, we're battling the gym leader so we can earn the Zephyr badge. So, Totodile use Water Gun. Hopefully we can at least. Oh, so close. We know he's gonna use a potion. I'm pretty sure he is. But if we get the HP so low, he probably might use it. Let's see. Pidgeotto. No. Okay. So level 9. Okay, good. I thought I'll be screwed because I'll be so under level. Okay, Pidgeotto can't do nothing. He's not powerful to take out my Totodile. But I'm pretty sure Pidgeotto has pretty high defense, so Not saying that impressive, but okay, it's time to use water gun before Pidgeotto put me out of commission. I only got like 3 potions left. What gives? I only lost to 1 battle. That was the Elder, the Bellsprout power, which it sucks. So yeah. Okay. Hope he doesn't get us a critical hit and I'll cry. Okay, we're low on HP. Yay, we got him! What's the Darn it, my dad's treasured bird Pokemon. Alright, take this. It's an official Pokemon League Zebra badge. Okay, we said like 900 to Zebra badge is raised to the attack of the power of Pokemon. It also enables Pokemon to use Flash if they have it anytime. Here, take this too. What TM31 will you give us? By using a TM, a Pokemon will learn instantly learn a new move. Think before you act. A TM can be used only once. TM31 contains Mud Slap. It reduces the enemy accuracy while it causes damage. In other words, it is both defensive and offense. Awesome. So I guess let's put a wrap on that one. So let's see. Professor Elm, what is it? Hello Aqua, we discovered something about the egg. My assistant is at the Pokemon Center in Violet City. Could you talk to him? Click. Okay, let's go to the Pokemon Center because I'm gonna need to heal. I guess that's him. Yeah. Heal my Pokemon. Okay, we hosting again. No! No! Aqua, long time no see. Professor Elm asked me to find you. Here's another favor to ask. Will you take the Pokemon egg? Yes sir, we will. So, I had no idea what's in there. Hatch until it grows, in the egg. And it also has to be with the other active Pokemon to hatch. Aqua, you are the only person we can rely on. Please call Professor M when the egg hatches. Okay. Let's see. It moves around inside. Sometimes it must be close to hatching. Okay, you guys, this is where we left off. I am going to sign off because I'm a terrible singer. Anyway, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this this kind of shortish LP. And well, you know what the drill is. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want more Pokemon contacts, and I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.